Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gauri and I'm back with another pick a card reading for you. Today we are going to see if you are on soulmate or twin flame journey and what is the current situation and the likely outcome. So as ever we have 3 piles. Before we move forward with the piles, I would request you to please like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so we have 3 piles for you today. Pile number 1, pile number 2 and pile number 3. I'm sorry, the earplug is coming in between. Okay, so close your eyes, think about your person and pick a card and I will see you in your reading. So starting with pile number 1. Hi pile number 1, if you are an existing subscriber, thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay, so this one is an abundance drawing oil, one of my personal favorites. Okay, let's see what we have for you. Okay, so I see a situation here where something was offered in past which 2 out of you didn't choose. So this is the card, we have 4 cups here. Something was given here, not entirely, a part of a situation was presented which the another person did not take. Take what resonates. Currently, I see hard work. So there is a lot of hard work that has to be done here in order to achieve your goal. And then we have 2 of wands. One out of you, either the viewer or the person you're talking about, is manifesting this connection, which will bring this connection in reality. So something was offered here in past which the other person did not take because the other person was expecting more. Current situation is that there is a lot of hard work here and future says your manifestation will bring you together. So now I will tell you about 2 people here. You can decide which one of those are you and which one of it is your person. Take what resonates, leave behind what doesn't. This is a general reading. This might or might not resonate with everyone. Okay, so I see a person here. One person likes being alone here. One person likes solitude, right? And this is the time for transformation of one person here out of 2. I am thinking this is your person I'm talking about here, but it can be you as well. Take what resonates, leave behind what doesn't. So 1 out of you 2 is somebody who likes being alone, somebody who is reflecting on a lot of things here. One person is really focused on material things here. We had a card of 7 of Pentacles as well, and somebody is really working hard for the financial situation. I'm assuming this is your person. This might be you as well, right? Okay, and then there is another person which I'm assuming is you. You are really sharp. You are very sharp in your speaking, in your mind, in your personality. This might be your person as well. Take what resonates. And you are somebody who observes the situation. We have cat spirit here. You like being alone as well. You want love but on your own terms here. And you are somebody who will not speak. You will wait till your saturation point and then you will behave like a volcano, right? And current situation as of now, I'm seeing, right, you guys are frustrated here because you did not got what you wanted out of this person, and you are an extremist as well. You will, if you will be quiet, you will be really quiet. If you will be speaking, you will be like speaking, and when you want attention, you want attention. You are very sharp. Coming back to this connection is between 2 people. One who is working on his or her material things as of now and is in separation currently, I think 90% of people watching this are in separation or in no contact or minimum contact. The other person is getting frustrated here because he or she is not getting what he's wanted, and this person is extremist here, and this person wants everything on his own term. I'm assuming this is you who is watching this. Coming to your next card. Okay. So I see a lot of power struggle here between you two, right? Either you are trying to gain control, or this person is trying to gain control, or both of you are trying to gain control, but you need to release this tendency of controlling things because you cannot control things. I see both of you want to be together here, but there is a power struggle. That's why you are not together as of now. You really need to be compassionate towards each other and towards yourself. Look how these two people are moving forward to each other, but then there is a gap. This gap is compassion. This gap has to be filled with compassion. Currently, this gap is because of power struggle. Once you release your struggle of power, you guys will be together here. As of now, I feel in the current situation, you guys are not speaking much or speaking very less. Also, I feel that you are really trying to manifest this connection here. I have a card of judgment, I have a card of justice here, and then I have a card of magician. Magician for me is again a card of manifestation. We had two of wands as well, so we have two cards here for manifestation. I think you have been working on your manifestation, but you are getting frustrated here. Please keep working on your manifestation. Please be focused on what you want rather being focused of what you don't want here, right? Card of judgment and card of justice. I feel there's a lot of emotions here with this water card. Either you or your person can be a water sign here. I see a lot of emotions. Justice will be served in this case for sure. Whatever the current situation is, keep manifesting. You will reach your goal. I feel this is a soulmate connection here. And I feel there are a lot of emotions which need to come on the surface between you two. You two have not had, heart-to-heart conversations yet. So you need to have heart-to-heart conversations yet. I see one of you might be crying at times. I feel this is you, or the female in this pile is the one who cries a lot and is very emotional at this moment. Although I feel the other person here is also emotional. The other person is also looking to let out their emotions, but they are not able to find the perfect way to let out their emotions. Okay, so you are very, stressed out at this moment, as I said. So this card says, take time to breathe out, right? You really need some time to breathe, right? You need to think it through. You need to think what you want instead of what you don't want here. Okay, next we have luck is on your side, as we said, with this card, two of pentacles, sorry, two of wands, right? With the magician, as we said, that you need to carry on manifesting your connection here, right? Luck is on your side. So luck is on your side. You need to release your worry. You need to release your power struggle here, right? Once you do that, everything is going to be better, and current situation for between you two is stagnant, right? Which is going to move forward with this card, right? The energy is gaining momentum, waxing moon, right? So look how beautiful this card is, right? So you need to release your worries here. Once you release your worries, once you think clearly, you are gaining. Also, this energy is gaining momentum here. Keep manifesting, really keep manifesting. You will receive your justice here, right? I think there should be, a bit of clear communication here. I feel the situation is currently stagnant, but this will definitely gain momentum in some time. There is power struggle between you two which needs to stop, right? Somebody is really focused here on the material things. Somebody is really working hard here, maybe for buying a new house, maybe for gaining some material possessions. Right now, I have 3 cards for you from Archangel Gabriel, right? It says Mother Mary, right? Which says the Blessed Mother is helping you with your divine life purpose, right? So the angels here, your spirit guides here are really, really looking out for you. They are pushing you forward to manifest this connection. They are on your side. Another card we have is of retreat, which says to block out distractions, spend quiet time alone so that you can focus on your priorities. So you are moving away from your priorities here because you are too caught up with why things are not happening. You should focus on yourself at this moment, on manifesting this in the right way. They say that you attract what you think. If you will think about you don't have this, you will never have that. If you start saying to God, thank you for so and so thing, you will have it eventually. So it's time for you to retreat. Also, I see somebody here does a lot of daydreaming. This can be you, this can be your person, right? And time management. Third card which I have is for time management. It says place your priorities at the top of your to-do list and don't allow distraction to deter your focus. Stop daydreaming here. Stop thinking about different scenarios. Focus on your priorities, and you really need to meditate, right? With the Magician card, I think you guys are a great manifester. With Two of Wands, I think you're a great manifester, but you're deviating, you're frustrated at this moment. You need to stop doing that. Once you stop doing that, you will be in union with your partner. Also, this is a soulmate connection. So this is I think this started well in the starting. It was a little hot and cold, in and out, but this is definitely a soulmate connection. Your angels are looking out for you. This is definitely a soulmate connection here, right? For sure. Okay, so the lesson for you, right, pile number 1 is that you really need to focus on letting go of the power struggle. You need to be more compassionate. You need to release what is not serving you, and you need to continue to manifest in the right direction. God is on your side. Mother Mary is on your side. Your angels, your spirit guides, the universe is on your side, but you need to release the fear. You need to release power struggle. You need to release the power struggle. You need to release your attitude of controlling everything, my way or highway. So you really need to stop that. Also, you need to gain a little bit of control on your emotions, because you behave like a volcano at times. Sometimes you behave cold as well. You are very sharp, right? Plus your person currently is looking inward, right? He is in solitude, she is in solitude. They are currently like a tree. They are a deep thinker. They want to come towards you. They are currently in transformation period. They are currently focused on other things, material things. So because you guys are a soulmate connection, you guys mirror each other. I'm assuming that you guys see a lot of repetitive numbers as well, or a lot of mirroring numbers here. So once you will start healing yourself in the right direction, once you will release your what do you call it, release your desire to control things, you guys will be together in union. This was for pile number 3. I hope this resonated. Please let me know in the comments. I also offer personal readings. You can contact me with the details below. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Hi pile number 2, welcome back to my channel. If you are an existing subscriber, I am happy that you are back here. If you are a new subscriber, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so pile number 2, I am going to tell you a story here. Take what resonates and take what doesn't. If this doesn't resonate with you, please pick up another pile. Please watch another video. Okay, so I see currently this is a hanged situation here. There was no movement in this relationship from a long time. Things are hot and cold. There is no movement. Somebody is trying to move forward or to come towards you. Your person is planning to come towards you. He has this pentacle with you. This is Knight of Pentacle. This is moving forward towards you. And we have Ace of Wands, a definite card. This is a beautiful card. Abundance, right? This is going to bring you abundance. And I feel this is a childhood connection. This is a past life connection here. as of now, I'm picking up this is a soulmate connection. Currently, the situation is on hold. There is no proper movement here. I don't see anything moving. I see new beginnings happening in the future here with Ace of Wands. Somebody is coming forward to you. I feel you guys are in separation or you guys are not talking currently. This is a soulmate connection. This is a past life connection. You might know this person from childhood as well. Okay. So this relationship is between two people who are very extremist, right? Now, I will tell you about two people here. You can decide which one of you is you and which one of the person is your partner. Okay. So, I see a person here who is very colorful. You or your partner, one of you likes partying a lot, is very colorful, and this person's perspective is very limited here. This person wants to fly very, very high, is very ambitious. So, one person here is very colorful, one person here is a party freak, likes going out a lot, has a limited perception, doesn't see things from a higher perspective, and is very, very ambitious. So, the other person here is somebody who would do anything to gain what they want, right? I have a praying mantis with me, which means a card of manipulation. Somebody who manipulates situations to get the outcome in their way. Then I have a lion. This person is very strong. This person manipulates the situation as per their requirement. You are somebody who is a seasonal kind of a person, seasonal in a way where sometimes you are very enthusiastic, sometimes you are very low, sometimes you are at the peak of your creativity, sometimes you are not. So one out of this person is very extremist here, doesn't likes going out a lot, doesn't mingles a lot, is very deep thinker. So one person out of this is a water sign, one person out of this is a fire sign. You might be a Leo here, right? So this relationship is between two extreme people, as I said earlier. That is the reason there is no balance in this relationship. One person is not looking to the situation from the higher perspective. Another person here is aware that this is a soulmate connection or a twin flame maybe, but I feel more of a soulmate connection here. Okay. See, again, I have a card of look at the bigger picture. Somebody is not looking at the bigger picture here. One of you knows that this is a soulmate twin flame connection. You are meant to be. One person doesn't. Then I have a card of emotions are running high. As I said, emotions are very high here. Now I have a ram. So one of you is definitely a fire sign. You might be a Leo. You might be an Aries. One person here is definitely a fire sign. And one person here is definitely a water sign. Okay, this says it's time to take action. So you really need to take action. You have thought a lot about things. You have done a lot of research here. You have taken a back step. Things were not moving, but now it's time to take actions. Your emotions were running very high, very, very high, because you were not getting what you wanted. You were getting irritated. So you need to not suppress. I'm sorry for using the wrong word. You need to think it through. Your emotions are taking toll on you as well. Maybe you are the one who knows this is a soulmate connection, but you are not at all looking at the bigger picture at this moment. You might be a Sagittarius, you might be an Aries, you might be a Leo here. One of you is going to be a water sign, Pisces. You could be a Pisces as well, or he could be a Pisces, or the other person could be a Pisces. Okay. This is definitely a soulmate connection. This card is a soulmate connection for me, but also this card tells me that there is an illusion in this relationship. Somebody is not looking at the higher picture. 3 cards which says the same thing here, right? A lot of strength is required here. You need a lot of strength here because you are running high on emotions at this moment. So you really need to think it through so that you can, look at things at the higher picture. You need to look inside for the answers. one of you is in the hermit mode here. As I said, this is probably you who is in the hermit mode here. You are thinking what to do. Should you manipulate? Should you manifest? Should you talk clearly? Should you not? So here are a lot of scenarios going on between you. So you need to keep your strength. You need to look inside here, and this is definitely a soulmate connection with this card. This is a confirmation. This is a soulmate connection. This is a past life connection here. These cards also indicate somehow that you guys are really connected, but one of you is not looking at the higher picture here, right? Then I have activation card. For activation, I take this card as somebody is looking out for you, somebody is watching you. This might be your spirit guides, this can be your ancestors, but somebody is there. They are trying to really activate you, but you are pushing them back because you are very high on your emotions currently. Shape shifting I have here, and then I have innocence. This is definitely a past life connection. This is definitely a twin flame or a soulmate. This is more of a soulmate connection. Innocence card tells me that you guys know each other from your past lives. You might know each other from your childhood. You might have worked together. You might have studied together. You know each other from a very long time. This is not a new person here, right? But here you need to shift your perspective here. You really need to shift your perspective because you're not thinking it through. It's time for activation. Have a walk in the nature. Let the wind activate you. Let your spirit guides guide you, right? Just see this card of innocence here, right? You guys definitely know each other from your past life. Whenever you met this person, you knew that you knew this person from earlier. Maybe you thought, maybe the other person thought that you are the right person for them, but things became stagnant. Things were hot and cold. Things have been hot and cold like forever with you guys, but new beginnings is really coming here with Ace of Wands. This is an amazing card here. Okay, now I have this card from Archangel Gabriel, which says let go, right? Release the desire to control the situation and leave it up to the God's infinite wisdom to resolve everything beautifully. You are trying to control everything because you don't like it when you are not in control of the situation, or the person doesn't like it. So for both of you, you need to let go this. You need to surrender this to the universe, right? You really need to surrender this to the universe. Talk to your angels, talk to your guides, talk to your spirit guides, talk to your God, talk to the universe. Tell them to sort this out for you. Next card I have is stay true to yourself. You see your angel is looking from you to you from behind, and he's saying to you, please stay true to yourself, because it says don't compromise or water down your ideas. Listen to, trust and follow your inner voice, because you guys are soulmates, because you guys mirror each other, right? You need to be true to yourself if you want this person to be true to you, right? So you need to release your habit of controlling, the power of being in charge, of handling the situation your way, my way or highway. Please get out of it. This is blocking your union here. You need to let go. You need to surrender this to the universe. The third card I have is have confidence in your creation. Trust in the power of God's creativity, which is being manifested through you. So also with Ace of Wands, right? You guys need to manifest this connection. You guys are meant for each other. Again, we have a cat here. We have a cat card also. Cat spirit is really coming forward. Cat spirit tells us to, look things from the higher perspective, stay strong. So we also we had two cards of strength here. Lion represents strength. Then I have this card also, which represents strength. This is a confirmation card. These are from two different piles, but you really need to maintain your strength. You need to think clearly. As I said, this relationship is between two extreme people here. One who likes to party a lot, one who doesn't like to party a lot. One person likes staying indoor, other person doesn't like staying indoor, right? So this is between two extreme people. You guys know each other from a long time here. One of you is a water sign, one of you is a fire sign here. You really need to balance your situation. You need to look inside. Somebody is moving forward towards you. This person is moving forward towards you. This situation has always been hot and cold or stagnant from a very long time, as I said. So in order to be together, you need to look inside. You need to release this to the universe. You need to trust your universe. You need to talk to your angels, your spirit guides, to the universe, and ask them to sort this out for you. And you need to meditate. You need to think clearly. You need to manifest this in the right direction. You need to stop getting frustrated here. This was for pile number 2. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. I also offer personal readings. Feel free to reach me with the contacts details mentioned below. Please comment in the comment section and let me know if this resonated. Thank you, pile number 2. Okay, so pile number 3. Hi. So pile number 3, what do we have for you today? Okay, a lot of pentacles. So I see something started well here, something was going good, then something abruptly ended or something is about to end here for new beginnings. You are definitely Queen of Pentacles here. You're very prosperous. You are a deep thinker here. You manifest a lot of things. You are abundant. You are definitely abundant. You are definitely protected because you have chose pile number 3. This represents protection. Okay, so things were fine here in the starting. Currently things are not going very great. This is a time for transformation of this relationship and for you with Queen of Pentacles. Okay, so this relationship is between 2 people here. I will tell you about the 2 people here. Decide which one is you, which one is your person. Take what resonates, take what doesn't. Okay, one person here out of 2 is very dedicated, very dedicated with this card of dedication. Whatever you decide, whatever this person decides, pursues it very clearly, does whatever it requires in that situation. Somebody does a lot of research about the situation before being devoted. This person does a lot of research about this. This person reads a lot, likes gaining knowledge, is very knowledgeable as well. Then I have a 3rd card which says the future. This person looks for future. This person is somebody who is very dedicated, who decides in one direction, works in one direction, and looks forward to the future, plans the future. This is somebody who takes knowledge towards the future and plans the future. Now, another person here is very family oriented. It's not that this person is not family oriented, but this person, second person, is really family oriented. This person has a lot of walls around him or her and doesn't let people come inside. This is again a card for prosperity for me, right? Abundance for me, right? This person, second person here, is very family oriented, is very loving, but has a lot of walls around this person. I'm assuming this is you. And this is the reason you guys are not being together, because you don't let your walls down. You are very family oriented, but you have high walls around you. You don't let people inside, and this is what is causing problem here. You need to put your walls down. This seems like a twin flame connection to me, but we will see with other cards as well. Okay. So we need balance. You guys need balance here, because one person has a lot of walls around him or her, other person is very futuristic. So because this is a extreme kind of a relationship, you guys need balance. This is a twin flame connection, I feel. I have Tower card with you and I had a Death card with you for you, right? Which means that this is a time for transformation. You guys need to change this situation. In order to change this situation, you need to put your walls down, whosoever has these walls around. And this is definitely a twin flame connection, which I'm picking up here. Okay. And here is a lot of ego involved in this connection somehow. This is a very bright connection, but a lot of ego is involved here. I'm assuming one of you is a fire sign. Your person is definitely a fire sign here. I'm picking up a lot of fire here, a lot of fire sign. Someone is definitely a fire sign, either you or your person here. You need a lot of balance. Then I have your commitment is being tested. You guys are in separation, I feel, or not in a very warm relationship at this moment. This is a divine connection. It is being tested with time. It's time to release the negativity. One of you can be a Scorpio here. One of you can be an Aquarius here. One of you can be a fire sign here, or you can have any of these in your charts. Okay. And I pick up a earth card as well. So you might be a Taurus, maybe a Capricorn, maybe. You also can be an Aquarius. You can be Sagittarius. You can be an Aries. Take what resonates. If it doesn't, this might not be your pile, or you might have these signs in your chart. Okay. So your commitment is being tested here. You need to release the negativity because you're focusing on the negativity that is holding you back, and you need to show your real self to the world. You need to put down your walls here and come out in the open, right? Time to show the world. Show the world the real you. You might be an Aquarius, that person can be an Aquarius. You might be a water sign, the other person can be a water sign here. Right? So your walls are holding you back. Your negative thoughts and your past experiences are holding you back. You need to release those in order to move forward here. Okay. Then I have reflection, focus, and emergence here. Right? You guys are going to emerge together. This is a dragonfly card, abundance card. You guys are already abundant. Both of you are financially fine. You guys are good for each other, but there are certain issues which you need to sort. There has to be a lot of communication which is missing at this moment. So you need to look inside. You need to reflect a lot. You need to pray here. You need to reflect inside. You need to release your negative patterns here. Your commitment is being tested. So focus on what you want, not on what you don't want. Right? Once you complete your reflection, right, you will focus on the right direction and you will emerge. You have to take back your power. It's time for you to take back your power. You have given your power to the other person or the situation here. Take back your power. It's time for you to shine here. From Archangel Gabriel, I have a message for you, which is a vision board. Create a board with images and words that inspire you. So as we said, you need to focus, you need to reflect, you need to, release negativity. Once you do that, once you start focusing, right, start working with crystals. Once you start reflection, right, reflecting towards things, you will move forward in this connection. And in your life, you're feeling stagnant at this moment, you may need to make a vision board. You need to write things in your diary very clearly what you want. Stop focusing on what you don't want here. This is the key. Your commitment is being tested, right? You will come out with the flying colors, but you need to focus here. You really need to focus. What I'm picking up here is that one of you, or you might have something significant in winters here, or in the winter season, something to do with winter here. Please tell me in the comment section what is it that has to do with the winter here. Second card from Archangel Gabriel is ask for what you want, right? You are focusing a lot on what you don't want. So you really need to focus. You need to make your vision board. You need to focus. You need to release negativity. You need to reflect. You need to focus. Because your connection is being tested, you need to tell God, you need to tell your angels what you want, right? So this card says, clear communication with yourself, with God and with others help you avoid misunderstanding and speeds up the process of answered prayers. So your answers are definitely going to be, prayers are definitely going to be answered, but you need to tell it very clearly to your God or your angels, to the universe here. This is a soulmate connection. This is a twin flame connection. This is a past life connection. One of you is a water sign, one of you is an earth sign, or one of you is a water sign here. You might be an Aquarius, you might have a water energy in your chart, you might be a Leo, you might be an Aries, you might be a Taurus, or you might have all these in your chart. Rising sun, moon, maybe. Okay, then we have editor card for you. Right, this is definitely a childhood connection, this is definitely a past life connection. Your writing or other creative projects benefits from outside help and support. Right? So, as we discussed, that this relationship is currently stagnant, but something is ending here, something is going to transform in a beautiful future. There is going to be a tower moment here. You are not looking at the bigger picture here. You need to look at the bigger picture in order to emerge. Both of you are abundant here. I see both of you are abundant. Both of you love each other, but one person has very high walls. This is a past life connection. You need to be clear in your communication. You need to, think about things clearly. I think this connection is being tested from the first quarter of this year. Maybe it's been 3 months since this is being tested, or this is being tested since the first 3 months of this year here. You really need to focus, you need to reflect, you need to decide what you want, and you need to put your walls down, because the another person here is a futuristic person, thinks a lot about future, but there is going to be a tower moment here. This person reads a lot, is knowledgeable, is powerful. Both of you are powerful, both of you are abundant, both of you look really nice with each other, but both of you have ego. Need to get rid of this ego here. You need to show the world real you. Stop hiding, bring in, tap in your power. Family is very important. Family can be a factor in this relationship. Maybe family is the reason you guys are holding away from each other. Maybe one of this person is already married. I don't know, but I'm picking up one of this person is already married. The second person is behind this person, something like that. There is a to and fro. This seems like a twin flame connection to me. As I said, twin flame takes longer than soulmates to be together. It's time to release negativity. You need to release your negativity. You need to put down your walls. It's time for you to emerge. It's time for you to let go of your power struggle. You need to be creative. You need to write clearly what you want. You need to speak clearly what you want, and then situation will turn out better. I don't see union at this moment, but there is going to be union, because this is a twin flame. It might take time. This is a temperance card. One out of you is very, very intuitive. Plus, this needs balance. This is a twin flame card for me. One of you is definitely a fire sign here. Sagittarius, Aries, maybe. Right? You guys are prosperous. So, you need to release what is not serving you. You need to come back in your power. That's the only way you guys can be together. It's time for you to focus yourself. Be very clear on what you want. Keep manifesting. Talk to your angels here. Talk to your God. Talk to the universe here. Okay, pile number 3. Let me know if that resonated in the comments. I also offer personal readings. You can connect with me on Instagram. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and let me know your situation in the comment box. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.